Okay, my prediction was correct and I made a profit. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mikhail Rich Trader channel. In this channel, I will be trading again, but this channel is exclusive for Quotex broker. In this video, I will do a challenge again, compounding trading from $20 to $10,000. But before we start trading, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video because I'm sure this video will be useful for you to make a lot of money. And don't forget to join my Telegram group because there will be interesting information about the secret strategy that I use for trading. The link is in the description box below. Okay, let's start trading. Okay, the first step to use the red line strategy, we only need a moving average indicator. The way to add a moving average indicator is that you go to the indicator option, select the moving average, and fill the period to 7 and change the color to red. So this moving average indicator is a trend indicator. Does the market have an uptrend or downtrend? Okay, for how to use this strategy, let's see to the next slide. Okay, let's analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are above the red line, where this red line is an indicator that shows the direction of market movement. So when the candles is above the red line, it means that the market is currently experiencing an uptrend. So when an uptrend or downtrend conditions occurs, to use the red line strategy, you have to wait until there is a candle that approach or touches the red line. For example, you can see that there is a bearish candle which is moving to touch the red line. So if this candle touches the red line, then you must immediately open buy position, because this candle will try to reverse the position. So if you open buy position, then you will get a profit. Conversely, you can see that all of these candles are below the red line, where this red line is an indicator that shows the direction of market movement. So when the candle is below the red line, it means that the market is currently experiencing a downtrend. So when an uptrend or downtrend condition occurs, to use the red line strategy, you have to wait until there is a candle that approach or touches the red line or not. For example, you can see that there is a bullish candle here which is moving to touch the red line. When the candle touches the red line, a reversal moment will occur on that candle or the next candle. Therefore, we must immediately open sell position so that we can get the best point and make a profit. Okay, I hope you can understand what I explained. So that you can understand better, let's dive into live trading using this strategy. Okay, I will open the market first to see the current market conditions. I can open buy position right now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are above the red line. This identifies that the market is currently experiencing an uptrend. And you can see again that there is a bullish candle which is currently moving close to the red line. If this happens, then this candle will have the potential for a reversal. Therefore, if we find a candle that is moving close or touching the red line, we must immediately open a reversal position. That's why I have opened buy position here, guys. Let's see if my prediction is correct. Okay, we made a profit for the first trade. Okay, let me open the market again. Let's analyze this market. You can see that there are two candles where these two candles are above the red line. which indicates that an uptrend will occur now. Then there is a bearish candle that tries to touch the red line. That means this bearish candle has great potential for a reversal. And we must open a reversal position as soon as possible. Let's see whether we get profit here or not. Okay, we get another profit for the second trade. Let's reopen the market and look for a market with good conditions. I can open buy position right now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that the market is currently an uptrend. That's because all of these candles that I pointed with this arrow are above the red line. And you can also see that there are the candles that are currently trying to decline and touch the red line. As I said, if there is a candle that touch the red line, then that candle has the potential for a reversal. So we have to open a reversal position as soon as possible, guys. That's why I open buy position here, guys. Let's see if my prediction is correct. Okay, my prediction was correct and I made a profit at the last second, guys. Okay, it's very amazing, guys. Okay, I will continue my trading. I can open buy position now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are above the red line. That means the market is currently an uptrend. Then there are two bearish candles here where these candles touch the red line. That means there will be a reversal moment in this candle. So we have to open position as soon as possible when you see a candle approaching or touching the red line. That's my reason why I have opened buy position here. Let's see if my prediction is correct or not. Okay, profit. Okay, I will open the market again and look for a good market to trade. I can open sell position now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are below the red line. This means that currently the market is in a downtrend. Then there is a bullish candle here which is trying to approach and touch the red line. So if you see a moment like this, then you must open a reversal position as soon as possible. Okay guys, that's my reason why I open sell position in this market. Let's see if my prediction is correct or not. Okay, I made a profit and now you can see that my balance has increased to $484 from the $20, and this is very amazing, guys. Okay, in this session my target is $10,000, so I will continue my trading, guys. Okay, open sell position now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are below the red line, which this red line functions as support or resistance in this market. This means that currently the market is in a downtrend. Then this candle has crossed the red line and has the potential for a reversal. If this happens, we must open sell position as soon as possible, as I did. Okay, let's see whether I'm profitable or not. Okay, profit, guys. Let's open the market again. Okay, I can open buy position. Let's analyze this market. You can see that all the candles that I pointed with this arrow are above the red line, which means the market is in an uptrend. So when the market is doing an uptrend like this, you have to look again at the candle that is running, guys. If this candle is approaching or touching the red line, that means the candle is trying to make a reversal, and we have to open reversal position as soon as possible too. In this case, open buy position. Okay, let's see if my prediction is correct or not. Okay, we made a profit again. Let me reopen the market. Okay, I will open buy position right now. Let me analyze this market. You can see that all of these candles are above the red line, which means that the market is currently experiencing an uptrend. So, if the market experiences an uptrend or downtrend, you have to look again at the last candle. And you have to make sure that the last candle is approaching or touching the red line or not. If the candle approaches or even touches the red line, it means the candle will reverse and we must open reversal position as soon as possible. That's why I opened buy position here, guys. Okay, we made a profit again. Here I want to tell those of you who really want to learn my 3 strategies, namely the double Bollinger Band strategy, sniper entry strategy, and red line strategy. You can join my VIP club, because in the VIP club I will explain in detail about this strategy to you, and will share trading tips and tricks using this strategy, so that you can easily understand and get profits easily on Quotex. So please join, because joining my VIP group is totally free, guys. Okay, I will open the market again. Okay, I can open sell position right now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that the market is currently experiencing a downtrend. Why I said that the market is downtrend? Because I see that all these candles are below the red line. So when an uptrend or downtrend occurs, we have to look at the last candle that is currently running, guys. If this candle approaching or touching the red line, it means that the candle has great potential for reversal. So we have to open reversal position as soon as possible when that happens. Okay, my prediction was correct and I made a profit. Okay, because in this session my profit target is only $10,000, so I will open the last position with the red line strategy. Okay, I can open sell position now. Let's analyze this market. You can see that the market is experiencing a downtrend. Why do I say that the market is downtrend? That's because all of these candles are below the red line, where this red line also functions as support in this market. And before we open position, we have to make sure that this candle is moving close and touching the red line or not. If this candle approach or even touch the red line, it means that this candle will experience a reversal. So we must immediately open a reversal position when this candle approach or touches the red line. That's why I open sell position here, guys. Okay, profitable. And it turns out there was one that experienced a loss. But that's okay, guys, because my profit has already approached my target, namely $10,000. So I assume I have achieved my target for today's trading, guys. Okay, before I close this video, I want to tell those of you who really want to learn my trade strategies, namely the double Bollinger Band strategy, sniper entry strategy, and red line strategy. You can join my VIP club, because in the VIP club, I will explain in detail about this strategy to you, and I will share my trading tips and tricks using this strategy, guys, so that you can easily understand and get profits easily on Quotex. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.